Golden Spike Burgers offers a great menu including burgers, fries, and gyros. They are also open for breakfast with items like breakfast burritos, bagel sandwiches, and bacon, eggs, and pancakes.
We've been asked by the state to incorporate more STEM activities into the curriculum, and so this was an activity that we thought would be really fun for the kids that involves science and engineering and math and a little technology. What kids did is they collected data within the classroom on, they had a Barbie and they dropped their Barbies from different heights using different numbers of rubber bands. They collected that data, they put it into a scatter plot, and then they used some graphing calculators and things to estimate how many rubber bands they think it's going to take to drop the Barbie 104 feet high. We did a practice run with the bleachers, which I don't know how many feet it was, but it was about 850 centimeters high. This drop today will be 3,170 centimeters, so significantly more than our practice run. We all have different Barbies that are different heights and different weights also, and then we all are going to use different numbers of rubber bands just to see who can actually get the closest. So we're hoping it's a pretty tight race. Every teacher is in competition with one another. So I will be doing a drop, Mrs. Udy and Mr. Brady, them all at the same time just to see who gets the best drop, the closest to the ground without hitting it. Well, we had 231 rubber bands. Probably a good reason why we were able to win is I have more classes than the other teachers do. I have more 9th grade classes, so I had a lot more data that I could pull from. Every class gave me a guess of how many rubber bands they thought we should use, and I took those numbers and found the average, and the average was 231. So I had a bunch of classes over-guessing and some under-guessing. 231 sounded like it was the winner, which was third hour's guess, actually. They were right on the nose.
I think it was a really good experience, and it was a fun way to kind of help us learn and to learn everything that we're going to be doing for this next trimester.
We need to make sure that our measurements are exact, because if they're not, then Barbie breaks her neck.
We put a lot of preparation into this, and so the fact that Morel won was enough that we knew we prepared a lot.
I think this project was awesome. It kind of took a unit that was pretty boring last year and really amped it up, and I think if there were any 8th graders outside that were watching with the 9th graders, I think they'll be really excited to do this activity next year, and hopefully it'll be a good tradition, and we'll just have to change up the Barbies so it's not the same numbers every year, but it should be fun and exciting every time.
Golden Spike Burgers is now serving Peach City ice cream, a delicious way to buy local. Stop by the Garland location for ice cream, waffle cones, sundaes, and banana splits. Golden Spike Burgers, where they have the best burgers and best ice cream all in one place.